Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new. My name is Jenny. Today we have a contact lens review, and the brand that I'm going to be reviewing today is Ttd-Eye, and I chose to do this review just because I ran out of my other contacts and I was like, I really want to try a new brand. So the other brand that I tried was Pinky Paradise, and this one is Ttd-Eye. They did send me 3 lenses to try out, and I do have a corrective vision, so I don't know if I'm gonna say my lens, but let's just say I'm blind without my contacts. Yeah, the pair that I have on right now is just a super natural brown. Now this is like my thing. I love natural lenses. I love things that just enhance your eyes, and I love lenses that just enhance brown eyes because I do have brown eyes. So I just wanted something that would make them look a little bit lighter and just a little bit more, you know, have like a little bit more spark, if you will. So yeah, I wanted to do this video with them, and yeah, but they're not paying me to say any of this. I'm gonna speak on my own, you know, my own merit. The first pair that I have on is just a pair of natural brown lens. I will leave, I think it's like chocolate brown or something like that. I will leave the name here so you guys can look for it and it's easier for you. So yeah, the pair that I have on right now is chocolate brown. So this is the first pair, and when I take a picture with these lenses, they look like my natural eye, except sometimes they do look a little bit more enhanced if I'm out in the sun and things like that. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So here I want you guys to be able to see the comparison between both eyes. This eye has a circle lens, which is called black something. Again, I will leave the name on the screen. I don't know the name offhand just because I did throw away the packaging, but the left eye has a black circle lens, and I think it's just called like black circle or something really simple, but yeah, it's just a black circle lens, so it makes my eye look a little bit bigger. And then this one is the dark brown eye lens. So that is what they look like. I think they look pretty similar, except this eye looks a little bit bigger, and I don't know if you can actually tell how enhanced my brown eye is. So yeah. The circle lens are a little bit uncomfortable just because they are a little bit bigger than my eye, so it does take up more space on my eyeball, and my eye is not really used to that. You're not supposed to use a lens that's like way bigger for your eye. So this is what my eyes look like, or these are what my eyes look like with both of these circle lens in. So I just want to show you guys what that is, and it just makes your eye look a little bit bigger. It's nothing that really alters the color, but I do like how it kind of enhances your eyes, and it makes them have a little bit more of a sparkle than what they naturally would. And I feel like this just brings more attention towards my eye as opposed to like any other area on my face, because I'm really insecure about my nose because I don't have like a bridge. So I feel like that makes my face look a little bit like disproportioned, but that is why I like wearing contacts, to kind of like counteract that, and I don't want people to like pay attention to that. So yeah, that is what the black lens looks like, and it's just like a black ring, like a black circle around my eye, and then the center part of the lens is just my natural eye color. So you guys can see that. I hope you can see a difference because it really is different. And I don't think that I've taken a picture with these yet, so let me go ahead and try and do that for you guys. So you guys saw the photo, and I think it turned out pretty accurate to what the lens looks like. So yeah, you guys got like a little taste of it. But yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and try on a different pair. The brown natural lens is actually my favorite lens, so I'm gonna leave this off to the side because I will be putting them back in my eye after I'm done with this review. Like I said, I only have 3 pairs of lens to show you guys. So the last pair is actually a color called iris brown. This is a little bit lighter than the brown that I have. So yeah, I don't know if these will make my eyes look like hazel or green or what. I've actually never tried these on, so I'm really interested to see like how it looks and everything. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'm a little nervous. I feel like you can really tell a difference in the camera, but the left eye has the iris lens, the right eye has the circle lens. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks a little freaky almost. I don't really know what color this is actually supposed to even look like, but it's just a little bit lighter. The actual lens looks like grayish, brownish, hazel, I don't know. But let me go ahead and put the other lens in my eye, and I will go ahead and take a picture and show you guys how they look in a photo. So this is what the lens look like when they're both in my eye. It looks a little weird. I honestly can't even tell like in the viewfinder what it's actually doing to my eye, but let me go ahead and take a photo, and that will be the ultimate test, because photos are really what I wanted to get these contacts for, just to kind of enhance my look a little bit in the pictures and stuff, and obviously I don't look like that in person when my contacts are out of my eye, but I think that it's a really cool and fun way to kind of change up your look. So let me go ahead and take a photo with the lens in my eye, and I will be back and show you guys. I just checked in my phone camera. I took a photo of my eyes and I just wanted to see what it looked like. It looks a little bit kind of like green, hazel, but like brown at the same time, but natural. Like, it's really weird, and I don't know, like, it just doesn't really look like much of a difference, but I do prefer the other brown that I did get, because I feel like those make my eyes look lighter, and they still look pretty natural, and they're just beautiful. Like, they just enhance my brown eyes, and even in the sunlight they look like really, really brown. They don't look red or anything. I know some brands can have brown lens and then they can look like red in different lighting, but this one looks light brown, and I think the brown really suits me. I do really like that. I think this color makes me look a little bit like super plasticky and fake, like green eyes on Asian girls. Like, you never see that. So yeah, I just think it looks really weird, but I still love how natural it looks. I want to knock it down for that. I do think that it still looks really natural, and I think that it's very comfortable. This is my first time wearing them, and they are super comfortable. I can see clearly, and oh my gosh, it's like everything's crystal clear. It's crazy. But yeah, so that is my review for Ttd-Eye contact lens, and if you guys have questions, leave them down below in the comments. I will leave my other contact lens reviews down below with other brands that I've had. They're not paying me to do this video, so I am going to have other brands linked down below if you guys are interested in those brands. I did really like Pinky Paradise, but they were a little bit uncomfortable, and I think you're only able to wear them for a month. I don't know how long you can wear these, but I'm going to check and I will get back to you guys on that. I think it might be like 6 months or 3 months or something like that, but these are like corrective vision, so they are going to be a little bit more expensive. If you guys have perfect vision, you will not have a problem with, you know, paying the extra money for contact lens. So I just want to let you guys know that. I'm more than happy to do these kinds of videos. I know some people, whenever I was looking for like natural brown contact lens, I could not find a single freaking video that even helped me out. So I'm really happy to create this video for all of my Asian gals out there who want to wear contact lens. I think it's really fun and just like really cool to see what suits brown eyes. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you guys plan on purchasing any of the contact lens. I think that they will probably give me a discount code for this video, so if they do, I will leave it in the comments or in the description down below, so you guys can check that out and use it if you're interested. I don't get anything from it. It's just for you guys to use so you guys can get money off. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, let me know what was your favorite contact lens on me, because I would love to know. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!